In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rasterize in Affinity Designer. Rasterizing is the process of turning a vector object into a pixel-based image. Vectors are great because they scale cleanly and let you edit nodes, strokes, and shapes without losing quality, but sometimes you'll want to lock in an effect, simplify a complex object, or prepare artwork for certain textures and brushes that work best on pixels. That's where rasterizing comes in. Just remember, once something is rasterized, you can't edit it like a vector anymore, and scaling it up later can reduce quality. With that in mind, let's walk through the simplest way to do it. First, open the Affinity app on your computer and load the document you're working on. Give the canvas a moment to render, especially if you're dealing with a complex file. Make sure you can see the object you intend to convert. If it's hidden behind other layers, bring it to the front or select it in the Layers panel so you know exactly what you're rasterizing. Next, move your cursor over the shape you want to convert. Right-click directly on that shape to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click or control click will open the same menu. You should see a list of quick options relevant to the selected object. From that menu, click Rasterize. Affinity will convert the selected vector object into a pixel layer using your document's current resolution settings. The change is immediate. If you glance at your Layers panel, you'll notice that the icon and labeling reflect a pixel layer rather than a vector object. You'll also find that tools like the Node tool no longer let you adjust vector points on that layer, which confirms the conversion worked. A few helpful tips while you're working. If you plan to experiment, consider keeping a spare vector version hidden on a separate layer so you can revert if needed. Also, be mindful of your document's DPI. Rasterizing uses that resolution. For print projects, a higher DPI ensures cleaner results after conversion. If your aim is performance, rasterizing particularly heavy groups or objects with multiple live effects can make panning and zooming feel snappier. To wrap up, you open the Affinity app, right-click the shape you want to convert, and click Rasterize. That's all it takes. Use it strategically when you need pixel-based editing or want to bake in effects, and keep an original vector handy if you might need to edit the shape later.